That dome you see back there is NASA's first step towards colonizing Mars with people. We'll take you to a spot on the blue planet which is so isolated you could easily mistake it for the red planet.
In a way, only he can. Our Dave Malkoff examining how NASA is simulating life on Mars right here on Earth as the Nitro 90 of Wake Up with Al starts right now.
Live from New York and the heart of Rockefeller Center, it's Wake Up with Al Roker and Stephanie Abrams.
Good morning, everybody. Wednesday, October 22nd, 2014, the Hump Day edition of Wake Up with Al.
I'm Stephanie Abrams alongside Al Roker, and really they just have to go in my head if they want to know what it's like living on Mars every day.
NASA plan is a manned mission to Mars by 2030.
But the training's starting right here, right on Earth. Dave Malkoff explains.
I think it's important to advance science and technology.
The latest and longest American mission to Mars is happening right now.
That is breathtaking.
It's remarkably similar.
On Hawaii's Big Island, this bubble habitat cut off from the rest of the world is about as close as anyone can come to living on Mars.
I'd love to be one of the first people to go to Mars.
Zach Wilson, an engineer from Boulder, Colorado, is one of 6 people handpicked by NASA to live in isolation over the next 8 months. Before NASA actually sends people to the red planet, they want to know how humans will eat, sleep,
It's identical to one of the sleeping pods in space.
and tolerate each other in an environment like this. We visited before a shorter mission in March. Located on the side of a mountain, this habitat is a 3-hour rocky drive and a world away from the resorts and crashing surf below. Now, this area doesn't just look like the surface of Mars. There's literally less atmosphere up here at 8,500 feet. And here's a good example. I bought these 2 sealed bags of potato chips on the surface, and now they're ready to pop like balloons.
We can only simulate certain things here.
Now, there's a couple of differences here. Mars has 1/3 the gravity as Earth and no hurricanes. Hawaii nearly had a big one, Ana, just as project leaders from the University of Hawaii were closing the door last week.
24 hours before it's due to hit, we make a call whether or not to evacuate the crew.
There were no evacuations. The eye of the storm passed more than 150 miles southwest of the colony. So the mission continues, preparing Earthlings like Zach to explore strange new worlds.
Maybe this is as close as I ever get, but maybe it's just another step on my path to Mars.
That giant leap could happen less than 20 years from today. Dave Malkoff, The Weather Channel.
Would you go?
Yeah, I would go.
Yeah?
Why not? No love lost there.
I would miss you terribly,
Yeah,
but I wouldn't want you to go. How about you, Jen?
No, I wouldn't. But actually, the why not is because you might not be coming back. But interestingly, scientists want girls to go. They think that women use less resources than men. Like, they eat less calories mainly. I think that's the only thing. Anyway, so they think women should go, not men, to Mars. That's the line right now. Let's see. I'm going to worry about the weather closer to home, where we've got